In this video, we'll explain everything you need to know about crow's foot notation. We'll break down the symbols and show you how to build your own ERD in Lucidchart. What is crow's foot notation? It is a set of symbols used in entity relationship diagrams to display the relationships between entities in a database, showing how data points interact. Before we dive into the lines, remember that entities are your tables, and attributes are the data within them. The lines connecting them represent the logic of your database. What do the symbols mean in crow's foot notation? To understand this, we have to look at two specific concepts: cardinality and ordinality. Cardinality and ordinality explained. Cardinality describes the maximum number of relationships, while ordinality describes the minimum. Together, they define the rules of your data. Let's look at one-to-one and one-to-many. These are the most common ways to structure data, ensuring that every piece of information has a clear, logical home in your system. Examples of crow's foot notation in database design are everywhere. For instance, a single customer can place many orders, but each specific order belongs to only one customer. Now that you know the theory, let's get building. Here is a step-by-step tutorial: how to use crow's foot notation in an ERD using Lucidchart. First, enable the Entity Relationship Shape library. Drag an entity onto the canvas and add your attributes. To create a relationship, click a white circle on the shape and drag a line. With your line selected, use the toolbar to toggle the endpoints. You can choose exactly which symbols represent your database's unique logic with just a few clicks. For even faster modeling, use Lucid's import feature. It turns your SQL code into a visual crow's foot diagram automatically, keeping your documentation perfectly in sync with your code. You're now ready to master crow's foot notation. Log into Lucid today to start building your own professional database diagrams. Thanks for watching.